Just a little over the 300 mark, my fourth pick again comes from Lenovo's Arena. An improved form of the previously reviewed Lenovo's Chromebook, this 11.6 and 360-degree rotatable mini multipurpose laptop has all the reasons you'll go for it. First and foremost, this 11.6 inches touchscreen laptop is indomitable when it comes to providing true satisfaction to your eyes. Featuring a 10-point multi-touch-enabled display and soaking in the classy IPS view technology, the screen, besides being evocative to the eyes, is so much highly responsive to each finger tap as well. Adding more, this 300 nits bright and HD displaying screen has got the anti-glare covering as well. So, be it a dark room or a bright sunny ambience, your work won't get affected. This laptop is a host to 4GB RAM, 32GB eMMC latest and high-performing IE 5.1, MediaTek 8173C quad-core processor, and has got the PowerVR GX 6250 graphics coprocessor. With all those added and inbuilt Chrome OS features, this Chromebook is bringing so much comfort to your life every single minute. Extensive and wireless connectivity options, this laptop sports a Wi-Fi 5, Bluetooth 4.2, and NFC wire-free communication technology. Moreover, the two USB ports, one 3.1 Type-C and one Type-A, and other I/O slots serve the wired connectivity needs.